Hi children, now we are going to see exercise 7.2 question number 1. Find the slope of the tangent to the curves at the respective given points. The first subdivision 1, y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square minus x at x is equal to 1. First I am going to take that curve y is equal to x power 4 plus 2x square minus x. Now I am going to differentiate with respect to x. So y differentiate பண்ணும்போது dy by dx that is equal to x power 4 differentiate பண்ணும்போது 4x cube. First power முன்னாடி கொண்டு வரணும் 4x power 4லேருந்து ஒன்று செப்பரேட் பண்ண x cube plus 2 constant x square differentiate பண்ண 2x 2 into 2x 4x minus x differentiate பண்ணும்போது 1. So now at x is equal to what? 1. Now I am going to substitute here. So dy by dx is equal to 4 into 1 cube plus 4 into 1 minus 1. So 4 plus 4 minus 1. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 minus 1 that is equal to what? 7. So dy by dx is equal to 7. So this is what? Slope of the tangent. The next one, second subdivision. So x is equal to a cos cube t, y equal to b sin cube t at t is equal to pi by 2. So first I am going to take x is equal to a cos cube t. So now I am going to differentiate with respect to t. So x differentiate with dx by dt that is equal to a constant. So cos cube t differentiate பண்ணும்போது first 3 முன்னாடி கொண்டு வாங்க 3 cos square t. Again இந்த cos t differentiate பண்ணும்போது minus sin t. So now 3 minus முன்னாடி எழுதுறேன். So minus 3a cos square t into sin t. So this is what? Dx by dt. Next y is equal to b sin cube t. So now differentiate with respect to what? T. So dy by dt that is equal to b constant. Sin cube differentiate பண்ணும்போது 3 sin square t. First 3 முன்னாடி கொண்டு வரணும் 3 sin square t into sin t differentiate பண்ணும்போது cos t. So now dy by dt is equal to, so இங்க என்ன இருக்கு 3b sin square t cos t. So now dy by dx that is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dx that is equal to dy by dt value 3b sin square t cos t. இங்க dt get cancel ஆச்சுன்னா உங்களுக்கு dy by dx கிடைச்சிரும். அதனால தான் அதே மாதிரி hold it by dx by dt value minus 3a cos square t sin t. So now here 3 get cancel and the sin square t ல இந்த sin t cancel ஆகிடும். அது இந்த cos t க்கு இந்த cos square ல ஒரு cos cancel ஆகிடும். So now minus b by a sin by cos மட்டும் இருக்கும், b by a sin by cos tan t. So now the t is given, t is equal to what? Pi by 2 and dy by dt dy by dx that is equal to minus b by a tan t equal to what? Pi by 2. So tan pi by 2 value infinity. So infinity, this is what? Infinity. So next we have the second sum. Find the point on the curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 at which the tangent is parallel to the line 3x plus y is equal to 7. So the first I am going to take that curve y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. So this is equation number 1. Now I am going to take differentiate with respect to what? X. So y differentiate பண்ணும்போது dy by dx is equal to x square differentiate பண்ணால் power மடிக்கணும் 2x minus 5 constant x differentiate பண்ணும்போது 1 plus 4 constant differentiate பண்ணும்போது 0. So இங்கே 5x 5 constant சார் அப்போ differentiate பண்ணும்போது 0ன்னு நீ கேட்கலாம். ஸோ 5ஓட வேரியபிள் இருக்கும்போது 5 கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக வச்சுட்டு எக்ஸை மட்டும் டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணால் 1. இங்கே ஒன்லி கான்ஸ்டன்ட், ஸோ டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் ஆஃப் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் வாட்? 0. ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை 2x minus 5. So this is what? Slope 1. m1 is equal to 2x minus 5 எடுத்துக்கிறேன். The next given line, so 3x minus y equal to 7. That is equation number 2. Now I am going to differentiate with respect to what? X. So what will get? 3 constant, x differentiate பண்ணும்போது 1 plus y differentiate பண்ணும்போது dy by dx that is equal to what? 0. Now 3 plus dy by dx is equal to what? 0 and dy by dx that is equal to minus 3. So this is what? Slope 2, m2. m2 is equal to minus 3. So the question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? Parallel கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So parallel condition m1 equal to m2. So slope 1, m1 is equal to what? 2x minus 5 that is equal to m2 equal to what? Minus 3. So 2x is equal to minus 3, minus 5 அந்த போச்சுன்னா plus 5 ஆகிடும். So 2x equal to 5 minus 3 and 2x is equal to what? 2 and x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, I am going to substitute in y in equation 1. So what will get? Y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4 and y is equal to x value 1 minus 5 into 1 plus 4. So 1 minus 5 plus 4. So that is equal to what? Y equal to 5 minus 5 that is equal to what? 0. So therefore the points are 1, 0. Next we have third sum. Find the point on the curve y equal to x cube minus 6x square plus x plus 3 where the normal is parallel to the line x plus y is equal to 1729. So given curve y equal to x cube minus 6x square plus x plus 3, that is equation number 1. Now I am going to differentiate with respect to what? X. So dy by dx, that is equal to differentiate with x cube differentiate 3x square minus 6 into x square differentiate 2x. So 6 into 2x, that is equal to what? 12x plus x differentiate 1, constant differentiate 0, அதனால 3x square minus 12x plus 1. This is what? Slope of tangent. நம்ம கொஸ்டினில் கேட்டிருக்காங்க where the normal is parallel to the line. So normal கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது இது அப்படி slope of normal, that is equal to what? Minus 1 by slope of tangent. So that is m1 எடுத்துக்கிறேன். m1 is equal to minus 1 divided by slope of tangent is equal to what? 3x square minus 12x plus 1. So this is what? m1. Next, given line x plus y is equal to 1729. So now I am going to differentiate with respect to what? X. So x differentiate number 1 and y differentiate number dy by dx. Constant differentiate number 0. So 1 plus dy by dx, that is equal to what? 0. And dy by dx is equal to what? Minus 1. So this is what? Slope 2, m2 is equal to minus 1. So the question is what? Parallel. Parallel condition, m1 is equal to what? M2. So m1 value minus 1 divided by 3x square minus 12x plus 1, that is equal to m2 value minus 1. So minus minus get cancel. 1 is equal to the cross பண்ணுங்க 3x square minus 12x plus 1. Now 1 and 1 get cancelled. 3x square minus 12x is equal to what? 0. இது ரெண்டுத்துல காமனா 3x நான் வெளிய எடுத்துட்டா அப்போ x minus 4, that is equal to what? 0. Now x is equal to 0 or x is equal to what? 4. ரெண்டு வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும். So when x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4, when x equal to 0, y will apply upon y equal to what? X cube minus 6x square plus x plus 3. So y equal to 0 minus 6 into 0 plus 0 plus 3. Then y is equal to what? 3. So the point 0, 3. The next, when x is equal to what? 4. So y equal to 4 cube minus 6 into 4 square plus 4 plus 3. So 4 cube value 64 minus 6 into 4 square value 16 plus 4 plus 3. So 64 plus 6 into 16, 96 minus 96, 4 plus 3. Now 64 plus 7, that is equal to 71. 71 minus 96, that is equal to what? Y equal to minus 25. So the points are 4, minus 25. So the 2 points, what is the points? 0, 3 and 4, minus 25 is the 2 points. Next we are going to see question number 4. Find the point on the curve y square minus 4xy is equal to x square plus 5 for which the tangent is horizontal. So tangent line எப்படி இருக்குன்னா horizontal இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. So அப்போ theta equal to what? 0. So theta equal to 0. Slope க்கு நமக்கு formula தெரியும், m equal to tan theta. இது m is equal to tan theta value 0. So அப்போ m equal to tan 0 value 0. So அப்போ m equal to what? 0. So this is what? Slope dy by dx equal to 0. So the given curve y square minus 4xy is equal to x square plus 5. So now I am going to differentiate with respect to what? X. So y square differentiate with 2y. Again in the y differentiate dy by dx minus 4. This is in the form of what? uv form. So first uv formula uv dash plus vu dash. First நான் x constant வச்சிட்டு y differentiate போது dy by dx plus y constant வச்சிட்டு x differentiate பண்ணா 1. That is equal to x square differentiate போது 2x plus 5 differentiate போது 0. So now 2y dy by dx minus 4 உள்ள கொண்டு போறேன் minus 4x dy by dx. Next minus into plus minus 4y, that is equal to what? 2x. So இது ரெண்டுத்துல dy by dx term நான் வெளிய எடுத்துட்டேன். இப்போ 2y minus 4x. இந்த minus 4y நான் அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போறேன் 2x plus 4y. So now dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 4y the whole divided by 2y minus 4x. So already know dy by dx value what? 0. So now I am going to substitute here. 0 is equal to 2x plus 4y the whole divided by 2y minus 4x. So now 2x plus 4y, this இந்த பக்கம் வந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? 0 ஆயிடும். So 2x plus 4y, that is equal to what? 0, and 2x is equal to minus 4y, and x is equal to what? Minus 4y divided by 2, that is equal to x is equal to minus 2y. So now I am going to take this equation number 2. Already you know the first equation y square minus 4xy is equal to x square plus 5. So now I'm going to substitute this equation in first equation. We'll get, so y square minus 4xy, x is equal to already know minus 2y. So y square minus 4 into minus 2y into y is equal to x square plus 5, x value minus 2y the whole square plus 5. Now y square minus and minus what, plus 4 2s are 8, y into y square is equal to minus 2 square 1 by 4 y square plus 5. So y square plus 4y square plus 9y 8y square, that is equal to 9y square, and the minus 4y square is equal to what, 5. So 9y square minus 4y square, that is equal to 5y square is equal to 5, and y square is equal to what, 1, and y is equal to plus or minus 1. When y is equal to 1, I am going to substitute in x. So already x is equal to what, x equal to minus 2y. So now x is equal to minus 2 into y value 1, x is equal to minus 2. So next, when x is equal to, so when y is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to what, minus 2 into y equal to what, minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to x is equal to 2. So the points are what, 1 comma minus 2 and minus 1 comma 2. So here x is equal to minus 2, sorry, minus 2 comma 1 and 2 comma minus 1. So that is the points. Next we are going to see question number 5. Question number 5, find the tangent and normal to the following curves at the given points on the curve. So first question, y equal to x square minus x power 4 at 1 comma 0. First I'm going to find out the slope. So y equal to x square minus x power 4. So the differential number dy by dx is equal to what, x square differential 2x minus x power 4 differential 4x cube. So power முன்னாடி கொண்டு வரணும், 4 power ல இருந்து செப்பரேட் பண்ணணும், 4x cube. So the point is what, 1 comma 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2 into x value 1 minus 4 into 1. So 2 minus 4, that is equal to what, m equal to minus 2. The next equation of tangent at a point 1 comma 0. What is the formula? Equation of tangent, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 value 0, m into x minus x1 value 1. So y is equal to m value minus 2 into x minus 1. So y is equal to minus 2x minus and minus what, plus 2. So this value I am going to take that side. I will get 2x plus y minus 2, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Next, equation of normal at 1 comma 0. The formula, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus 0, that is equal to minus 1 by m value minus 2 into x minus x1 value 1. So y is equal to 1 by 2, minus minus get cancel, 1 by 2 into x minus 1. So 2, I am going to take this side. So 2y is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 2, x, this 2y I am going to take that side. So minus 2y minus 1 is equal to what, 0. So this is the equation of normal. Next we have second subdivision. So y is equal to x power 4 plus 2e power x at 0 comma 2. So இதே formula தான். So first we have to find out the slope. So difference with respect to what, x. So dy by dx, that is equal to 4x cube plus the difference about 2 constant, e power x difference பண்ணா e power x தான். So at 0 comma 2, now I'm going to substitute here x equal to 0 and y is equal to what, 2. So dy by dx, that is equal to 4 into 0 cube plus 2 into e power 0. So 4 into 0 0, 2 into e power 0 value 1. So dy by dx is equal to what, 2. So this is what, slope m equal to 2. Now I am going to find out the equation of tangent at the point 0 comma 2. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus, this is what, xy, x1 y1. So y minus 2, that is equal to m value 2 and x minus x1 value 0. So y minus 2, that is equal to 2x. Now this value I am going to take that side. So 2x minus y minus 2 on the பக்கம் plus 2, that is equal to what, 0. So now equation of normal at 0 comma 2. So formula, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 சொல்லும்போது 2 is equal to minus 1 by m is equal to what, 2 and x minus x1 value 0. So 2 cross பண்ணுங்க, 2 into y minus 2, that is equal to what, minus 1 into x minus x. So 2 உள்ள multiply 2y minus 2, 2 2s are, sorry, 2y minus 2 2s are 4, that is equal to minus x. ஸோ இதில் வந்து மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் போது எக்ஸு ப்ளஸ் 2y minus 4 that is equal to what? 0. So this is the equation of normal. Clear? Next, subdivision number 3. So y is equal to x sin x at a pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So dy by dx is equal to x into this is the form of uv function. This is a function uv function. So first u a constant வச்சுட்டு v a difference பண்ணா cos x plus v a constant வச்சுட்டு u a difference பண்ணும்போது 1. So at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So dy by dx is equal to pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 value 0. So 0 into pi by 2 0. Sin pi by 2 value 1. So dy by dx is equal to what? 1. So this is what? Slope m is equal to 1. If equation of tangent at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. What is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus x1 this y1. So y minus y1 value pi by 2, m value 1, x minus pi by 2. So now y minus pi by 2 is equal to x minus pi by 2. So இதெல்லாம் தனிச்சு கொண்டு போகிறேன் x minus pi by 2 minus y plus pi by 2 that is equal to 0. So minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 get cancel. So x minus y that is equal to what? 0. So next you have to find out equation of normal at pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to what? Pi by 2. So y minus pi by 2 that is equal to minus 1 by m equal to what? 1 and x minus x1 pi by 2. So y minus pi by 2 that is equal to minus x minus and minus what? Plus pi by 2. So now this value I'm going to take that side. So minus x in the plus 6 plus y minus pi by 2 in the minus pi by 2 in the minus pi by 2 that is equal to what? 0. So x plus y minus pi by 2 minus pi by 2 that is equal to what? Pi, because 90 minus 90 minus 90 minus 90 minus 180. So 180 into pi. So that is equal to what? 0. So this is equation of normal. Next we have subdivision number 4. So x is equal to cos t and y is equal to 2 sin square t at t is equal to pi by 3. So next இப்போ differentiate with respect to what? T. So dx by dt that is equal to cos t difference பண்ணும்போது minus sin t. dy by dt that is equal to what? 2 into sin square t difference பண்ணா 2 sin t. First இந்த 2 முன்னாடி கொண்டு வரணும். 2 sin t. Again the sin t difference பண்ணும்போது cos t. So dy by dx that is equal to what? Dy by dt the whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt value 2 into 2 sin t cos t the whole divided by dx by dt value minus sin t. So sin t get cancel, minus 2 to are minus 4 cos t. So this is what dy by dx at t equal to what? Pi by 3. So dy by dx is equal to minus 4 cos pi by 3. So cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. So minus 4 into 1 by 2 that is equal to what? M equal to minus 2. So this is what? Slope. The equation of tangent at x1 comma y1. So what is the formula? X on the number 3 cos t. So x is equal to cos pi by 3 that is equal to x equal to 1 by 2. Y is equal to 2 sin square t. So y is equal to 2 sin square pi by 3. 2 into sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 the whole square. So y is equal to 3 by 2 வரும். So இது root 3 square பண்ணும்போது 3 வரும் by 4. இங்கே 2 4 cancellation 2. So y equal to 3 by 2. So இப்போ x1க்கு பதிலாக இது யூஸ் பண்ணணும், y1க்கு பதிலாக யூஸ் பண்ணணும். So இப்போ y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 value 3 by 2 minus m value minus 2 x into x1 value pi by 2 1 by 2. So the cross பண்ணுங்க 2y minus 3 the whole divided by 2 that is equal to minus 2 2x minus 1 the whole divided by 2. So 2 to get cancel. So 2y minus 3 that is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into 2x minus 4x minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2. So this value I am going to take this side. So 4x plus 2y minus 3 minus 2 that is equal to what? 0. So 4x plus 2y minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 that is equal to 0. Next we have to find out equation of normal. The formula y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value minus 3 by 2. Y1 value 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 divided by m value minus 2. So minus minus get cancelled. X minus x1 value 1 by 2. So now அதே மறுபடியும் எழுதுறேன். Y minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus and minus cancel ஆகிடும். 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. So 2y minus 3 the whole divided by 2 that is equal to 1 by 2. இது 2x minus 1 the whole divided by 2. So 2 to get cancel. So இந்த 2 cross பண்ணுங்க. So 2 into 2y minus 3 that is equal to what? 2x minus 1. So 2 உள்ள கொண்டு போகும்போது 4y minus 6 that is equal to what? 2x minus 1. So இந்த வேல்யூ எல்லாம் செட் பண்ண போகிறேன். 2x minus 1 minus 4y plus 6 that is equal to what? 0. So 2x minus 4y 6 minus 1 5 that is equal to what? 0. So this is the equation of normal. Next we are going to see question number 6. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 plus x cube, for which the tangent is orthogonal with the line x plus 12y is equal to 12. So first I'm going to take the curve y equal to 1 plus x cube. So the differential பண்ணும்போது dy by dx is equal to 1 differential பண்ணும்போது 0 plus x cube by differential பண்ணும்போது 3x square. So 3 முன்னாடி கொண்டு வரணும், பவரில் 1 செப்பரேட் பண்ணணும். So 3x square. So this is what slope m1 is equal to 3x square. So given line x plus 12y is equal to 12. So difference with respect to what x differential பண்ணும்போது 1 plus 12 constant, y differential பண்ணும்போது dy by dx, that is equal to what 0. 12 into dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1, and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 12. This is what m2 slope. m2 is equal to minus 1 by 12. Tangent is what? Orthogonal. Condition for orthogonal, m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. m1 value 3x square, m2 value minus 1 by 12, that is equal to minus 1. This minus and this minus get cancelled. 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So x square by 4 is equal to 1 and x square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. When x is equal to 2, y equal to what? 1 plus x cube. So 1 plus 2 cube. So 1 plus 2 cube value 8 and y equal to 9. The point is 2 comma 9. When x is equal to what? Minus 2 and y is equal to what? 1 plus 2, 1 plus x cube, 1 plus minus 2 the whole cube. So y equal to 1 minus 8 and y is equal to what? Minus 7. So the point minus 2 comma minus 7. So in the first point எடுத்து ஸ்லோப்பில் அப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். m1 is equal to what? 3x square. So ஸ்லோப்பில் அப்ளை பண்ணும்போது 2 comma 9 எடுத்து அப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். x பதிலாக 2 தான் வரும். So m is equal to 3x square when x is equal to 2. So m equal to 3 into 2 square. So m equal to 12. அதாவது 2x m equal to 12 வந்துருக்கு. மறுபடியும் x is equal to minus 2 அப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். m is equal to 3 into minus 2 the whole square, that is also what? 12 தான். ஸோ அப்போ ஸ்லோப் வந்து இதுலேருந்து என்ன வந்திருக்கு? 12 வந்து கிடச்சிருக்கு. 2 பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது. 2,9 ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது, minus 2, minus 7 ஒரு பாயிண்ட் இருக்குது. நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்? ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் டேஞ்சன்ட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இப்போ 2 ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் டேஞ்சன்ட்ஸ் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 2 பாயிண்ட், ஒரு பாயிண்ட் 2,9 அண்ட் ஸ்லோப் 12, அது யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு டேஞ்சன்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதே மாதிரி நெக்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட் minus 2, minus 7 யூஸ் பண்ணியும் ஸ்லோப் 12 யூஸ் பண்ணியும் ஒரு டேஞ்சன்ட் லைன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் equation of tangent at 2,9 and m is equal to what? 12. So equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value 9, m value 12, x minus x1 value 2. So y minus 9 is equal to 12x minus 24. So 12x in the y answer vachana minus y minus 24 minus 9 vachana plus 9, that is equal to 0. So 12x minus y, 9 minus 24, that is equal to minus 15, is equal to 0. So next equation of tangent at minus 2, minus 7 and m is equal to 12. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 value minus 7, so plus 7 is equal to m value 12, x minus x1 value minus 2, so plus 2. So y plus 7 is equal to 12x plus 24. Y plus 7, 12x plus 24. So இதெல்லாம் தனிச்சு கொண்டு போகிறேன். 12x plus 24 minus y minus 7, that is equal to what? 0. So for 12x minus y plus 17, so இங்கே பார்த்தோன்னா 24 minus 7, that is equal to what? 17 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. So next we are going to see question number 7. Question number 7. Find the equations of the tangents to the curve y equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 which are parallel to the line x plus 2y is equal to what? 6. So first y is equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1. This is in the form of what? U by v. So u is equal to x plus 1 and v is equal to x minus 1. u dash பண்ணும்போது டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது x டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ண 1, 1 டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ண 0, அதனால் 1 மட்டும். இப்போ v dash x டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது 1, 1 minus 1 டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ண 0. ஸோ இப்போ v dash வேல்யூ 1. ஸோ y equal to u by v இருந்துச்சுன்னா dy by dx ஃபார்முலா vu dash minus uv dash by v square. So v is equal to what? X minus 1 and u dash 1 minus u is equal to x plus 1 and v dash 1 the whole divided by v square x minus 1 the whole square. So the whole multiply பண்ணும்போது x minus 1 minus x minus into plus minus 1 the whole divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So plus x and minus x get cancel, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 the whole divided by x minus 1 the whole square. This is what? Slope m1. So m1 is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. So the given line x plus 2y, that is equal to what? 6. So differentiate with respect to what? X. So x differentiate by 1 plus 2 into y differentiate by dy by dx, that is equal to what? 0. So 2 into dy by dx, that is equal to minus 1, and dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. This is slope 2, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So the conditions what? Parallel. So parallel condition, m1 equal to what? M2. m1 value minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square, that is equal to m2 value minus 1 by 2. So minus and minus get cancel. So the 2 2's are 4 is equal to the cross பண்ண x minus 1 the whole square. So இதிலிருந்து x minus 1 the whole square expand பண்ணுற x minus 1 the whole square, x square plus 1 minus 2x, that is equal to 4. So x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 4, in the 4 is equal to minus 4, that is equal to what? 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 3 we can split 1 into minus 3, இப்போ add பண்ணும்போது minus 2 என்று கிடைச்சிரும். So இப்போ x plus 1 into x minus 3, that is equal to what? 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to what? 3. So now when y equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, when x is equal to 3, y equal to what? 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, y is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to y equal to what? 2. When x is equal to minus 1, y equal to what? Minus 1 plus 1 the whole divided by minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 divided by anything what? 0. So y equal to 0. The points are 3, 2 and minus 1, 0. So இப்போ ஸ்லோப் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸ்லோப் நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? m is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 1 the whole square முன்னாடி பார்த்துருக்கோம். இதில் அப்ளை பண்ணுறேன். m is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 the whole square, because x is equal to 3. So 3 minus 1 the whole square. So m is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 the whole square value 2 square. So இப்போ m is equal to minus 2 divided by 4, m equal to minus 1 by 2. அதே மாதிரி x is equal to what? Next x is equal to இங்கே minus 1 இருக்குல்லையா, அதை அப்ளை பண்ணும். m is equal to minus 2 the whole divided by x minus 1 the whole square, m equal to minus 2 divided by x bala minus 1 the minus 1 the whole square. So m is equal to minus 2 the whole divided by minus 1 that is equal to what? Minus 2 square. So m is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. So இப்போ ரெண்டு ஸ்லோப்புமே ஈக்குவலாக இருக்குது. பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் 3, 2 minus 1, 0. ஸோ இப்போ ஒரு ஸ்லோப், இந்த ஸ்லோப்பு இந்த பாயிண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு டேஞ்சன்ட், அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஸ்லோப்பும் இந்த பாயிண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி இன்னொரு டேஞ்சன்ட் லைன் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். இப்போ பாருங்கள், ஈக்குவேஷன் ஆஃப் டேஞ்சன்ட் at 3, 2 and slope m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, this is what? x1, and this is y1. Y minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. So now in the 2 cross பண்ணும்போது 2 into y minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 into x minus 3. So 2y minus 4, that is equal to minus x minus plus 3. So minus x plus 3 in the left hand side கொண்டு வந்துருங்க. x plus 2y minus 4 plus 3 இருந்துச்சுன்னா minus 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 2y minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, that is equal to what? 0. So this is the one of the tangent. The next equation of tangent at the next point minus 1, 0 and m is equal to what? M is equal to minus 1 by 2. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value, it is what? x1 y1. Y1 value 0 minus m value minus 1 by 2. X minus x1 plus 1. So in the 2 cross பண்ணும்போது 2y is equal to minus x minus 1. So the minus x minus 1 left hand side பண்ணுவாங்க. So minus x minus 1 வரும், left hand side பண்ணுவாங்க. So அப்போ minus x இருந்துச்சுன்னா plus x. Plus x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is another tangent. So equation of tangents, number 2 tangents, x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Next we are going to see the question number 8. Find the equation of tangent and the normal to the curve given by x is equal to 7 cos t and y is equal to 2 sin t, where t belongs to R. So x is equal to 7 cos t. So difference with respect to t, we'll get dx by dt, that is equal to 7 into cos t difference பண்ணும்போது minus sin t. So dx by dt, that is equal to minus 7 sin t. So now y equal to 2 sin t. So dy by dt is equal to 2 constant, sin t difference பண்ணும்போது cos t. So dy by dx, that is equal to dy by dt the whole divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt value 2 cos t the whole divided by dx by dt minus 7 sin t. So equation of tangent x, y இல்லையா, 7 cos t, 2 sin t and slope வந்து 2 cos t the whole divided by minus 7 sin t. So formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 value 2 sin t is equal to minus 2 by 7. Slope வந்து m ங்க தெரியும். Minus 2 by 7 cos t by sin t. X minus x1 value 7 cos t. So இது cross பண்ணுங்க 7 sin t into y minus 2 sin t, that is equal to minus 2 cos, இது உள்ள கொண்டு போகிறேன், minus 2x cos t minus minus plus 2 7 14 cos into cos square t. இதே மாதிரி இது உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணு 7y sin t 7 2s are 14 sin square t, that is equal to minus 2x cos t plus 14 cos square t. எல்லாத்தையும் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. ஸோ 2x cos t minus 14 cos square t plus 7y sin t minus 14 sin square t ன்னு இருக்கும். ஸோ now 2x cos t plus 7y sin t minus 14 காமனாக வெளியே எடுத்துட்டேன், cos square t plus sin square t, that is equal to 0. So now 2x cos t plus 7y sin t minus 14, this value 1, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. The next equation of normal at the point 7 cos t, 2 sin t. Formula y minus y1, that is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1 2 sin t, that is equal to minus 1 divided by m value minus 2 by 7 cos t by sin t into x minus x1 value 7 cos t. So the reciprocation போது the minus minus get cancel, reciprocation of 7 by 2 sin t by cos t. So இந்த 2 cos t நான் cross பண்ணுறேன், 2 cos t into y minus 2 sin t, that is equal to 7x sin t. அதே மாதிரி 7 7s are 49 sin t cos t. ஸோ இதை உள்ள மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறேன், 2y cos t minus 2 2s are 4 cos t sin t. அது எங்கே இருக்கேன், that is equal to 7x sin t minus 49 sin t cos t. ஸோ எல்லாத்தையும் லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வரேன், 7x cos t ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடு கொண்டு வரேன், 7x cos t minus 2y cos t. அதே மாதிரி minus 49 sin t cos t minus இந்த போச்சுன்னா plus 4 cos t sin t, that is equal to 0. So 7x sin t minus 2y cos t minus 49 plus 4, that is equal to minus 45 sin t cos t, that is equal to 0. So this is the equation of normal. Next we are going to see question number 9. Question number 9. Find the angle between the rectangular hyperbola xy is equal to 2 and the parabola x square plus 4y is equal to 0. First I am going to take x axis, y axis. So x square plus 4y is equal to 0. X square equal to minus 4y. So this is the open downward parabola. X square equal to minus 4ay, that is what, open downward parabola. So then open downward போட்டிருக்கேன், x square equal to minus 4y. So xy is equal to 2ன்றது rectangular hyperbola, அது இப்படி இருக்கும் rectangular hyperbola. So அதனுடைய angle between கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், angle. So first the given rectangular hyperbola xy is equal to 2. So that is equation number 2. So இதில் வந்து y is equal to 2 by x in equation 1ல apply பண்ணுறேன். X square equal to minus 4y. So x square equal to minus 4 into y value 2 by x. So 2 4s are 8, minus 8 இந்த cross பண்ணுறேன், x cube ஆகிடும். So minus x cube is equal to minus 8 and x cube is equal to minus 8 எப்படி வேணால் minus 2 the whole cube பண்ணுறான், cube get cancel, if x is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2 in y ல apply பண்ணும்போது y is equal to what, 2 divided by minus 2. So then y is equal to what, minus 1. So point of intersection சொல்லும்போது minus 2, minus 1. Minus 2, minus 1. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், angle between. So first given parabola x square equal to minus 4y. So difference with respect to what, x. So x square difference பண்ணால் 2x, that is equal to minus 4 constant. y difference பண்ணும்போது dy by dx. So dy by dx, that is equal to minus 2x divided by 4. And the 2 and 4 get cancel. So அப்படி எல்லாம் அப்புறம் கூட cancel பண்ணலாம். So it passes through a point of intersection நமக்கு தெரியும், minus 2, minus 1. But dy by dx, that is equal to minus 2 into minus 2 the whole divided by 4, because x value இது y value, x பதிலா minus 2 apply பண்ணிட்டேன். So minus minus what, plus 4 by 4, and then m1 is equal to 1. The second equation xy is equal to 2, difference with respect to what, x. So this is in the form of what, uv function. So இப்போ x constant வச்சுட்டு y டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணால் dy by dx plus y constant வச்சுட்டு x டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணால் 1. So constant டிஃபரன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது 0. So இப்போ x dy by dx, that is equal to இந்த y அந்த ஸ்டெப் வச்சுன்னா minus y, and dy by dx, that is equal to minus y divided by x. So point minus 2, minus 1. So இப்போ dy by dx, that is equal to x value, x பதிலா minus 2 and y பதிலா minus 1. So already இங்கே minus இருக்குது, minus of minus 1 the whole divided by minus 2. So minus 1 minus minus 1. So plus minus and minus plus 1. the whole divided by minus 2. So m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. So angle between the curves formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 the whole divided by 1 plus m1 into m2 the formula angle between the curves. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 value 1 minus m2 value minus 1 by 2 the whole divided by 1 plus m1 value 1 and m2 value minus 1 by 2. So minus and minus what? Plus. So 1 plus 1 by 2. Plus into minus minus. So 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by cross over 2 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 by 2 the whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. So 2 to get cancel. So 3 இருக்கும் modulus 3 that is equal to what? 3. So tan theta is equal to 3 and theta is equal to what? Tan inverse of 3. So next we are going to see question number 10. Show that the two curves x square minus y square is equal to r square and xy is equal to c square where c, r are constants cut orthogonally. So the given curve x square minus y square is equal to what? R square. Orthogonal na perpendicular prove பண்ணணும். So the difference with respect to what x square difference போது 2x minus y square difference போது 2y. Again இந்த y difference போது dy by dx that is equal to what? R square difference பண்ணா 0 constant. Minus 2y dy by dx that is equal to in the 2x and the minus 2x minus 2 get cancel and dy by dx is equal to what? X divided by y. So this is what? Slope m1 equal to x by y. The second curve xy is equal to c square. So now I am going to difference with respect to what? X. So this is in the form of uv function. So uv function, so uv dash plus vu dash. First x constant வச்சுட்டு y difference பண்ணா dy by dx plus y constant வச்சுட்டு x difference பண்ணும்போது 1 that is equal to c square difference பண்ணா 0 that is what? Constant. So now x dy by dx that is equal to y and minus y. So dy by dx is equal to minus y divided by x. So this is what? Slope m2. m2 is equal to minus y by x. So m1 m2 தெரியும் நம்ம condition for orthogonal condition m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. m1 value x by y and m2 value minus y by x. நம்ம என்ன prove பண்ணோம்? Minus 1 prove பண்ணோம். So x and x get cancel, my y and minus y get cancel. So என்ன மட்டும் இருக்கும்? 1 minus 1 மட்டும் இருக்கும். So m1 is equal to m1 into m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. So therefore the curve cut in orthogonally. So this is the exercise 7.2 sums. Clear? Thank you children.